And I quote a lot of Disney movies, so anytime you catch one, comment in the comments where it came from. A little hyped up today. Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome back to the What's New video on Mondays. You guys can expect this video every Monday morning on my YouTube channel to keep you guys in the know. And this has nothing to do with my world, but Drew Barrymore came out with a new show on YouTube and I am living for it. And I have binge watched every episode of it as well as the making of it. So if I have a little bit of like Drew feel, it's because I've been consumed with her while I've been creating things and making things for my members. We are all pretty much Disney this week. We have a Cruella de Vil bundle with 5 new SVGs that I'm living for. I also highlighted some of our older Cruella de Vil. We also have the Lost Boys bundle, which 7 SVGs in that bundle. So we're up to 12 new SVGs. And then that also has a bonus sublimation Think Happy Thoughts design, which I am living for. If you did not watch last week's, remember we have a Halloween bundle that had over 50 SVGs for you guys. So that is the SVG bundle that SVG Cuttables offered us this month, and I am living for that as well. Seriously, you can make so many cute Halloween crafts, so get moving on those and do not forget to tag me so that I can share them on my Instagram and all the places so I can help promote you and what you're doing. Okay guys, this is a newbie, and are you excited for it? I'm excited for it. I'm living for it. I'm living for a lot of things today. So I'm living for this even especially. I have a new page on the website under SVGs, but it is only available to my commercial use and above members. Anyways, don't freak out. We are I am gonna show you how to use this page soon. Pumpkin spice bundle, which is a bundle you can make lots of different pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin spice. I hate pumpkin spice. I really don't understand pumpkin spice. All the things, but some really cute fonts and different elements that you can add to make your cute pumpkin spice SVGs, and you can go all the routes. If you're a pumpkin spice lover, if you're a pumpkin spice hater, I don't judge. Do what you want. It's all for you to create your own. But if you don't know how to use them, don't worry. Okay, I also will be going live this week showing you guys ridiculous amounts of t-shirts that I made, so check that out on my YouTube channel. Don't know when, don't know where, don't know how long it'll be. It'll probably be pretty long. Okay, so October is coming, and I'm going to be decorating my scrap box with you guys. I am going to be doing some really cool different types of design with me element videos, and then you're going to be seeing a ton. I'm going to have a video every single day this month for October. So put your bootstraps on or your seatbelt, buckle up. That's what I'm trying to say. Buckle up, because it is time to have a video every single day, because I may have a ton of videos I've never scheduled that are going to go up. And if you're not a member, you'll be able to see a lot of the stuff behind the scenes, because I'm going to be using a lot of the member SVGs. Whew, okay, what else? Mr. Crafty Pants is going to have a video every single Tuesday of October for you guys. He is redoing his front porch with, I don't know if he's redoing it or if he's just DIYing it, but he's DIYing up a lot of front porch decor with his patterned HTV and vinyl from shopauntietae.com. If you have not checked out his new patterns and his new bundle, check it out because it's amazing. He designed it himself and it is absolutely stunning. If you guys have never used our patterned HTV or vinyl, you're in for a treat if you have not. Our patterned HTV has a plastic carrying sheet which takes out like 400 steps in the process of making things. And if you're a business member, we have been talking about in our Zooms, we have been going over so many things in our Zoom meetings. If you cannot make it, I have been filming them and putting them on the Zoom Hub, so check them out. We have been diving deep into the influencer world on our influencer meeting on Wednesday mornings. We have been talking about Reels, Instagram Reels, using them to grow, Amazon affiliate marketing. Like, we are deep in that right now. So if you're wondering what to do with your life and you're a business member, you should be joining the Zoom meetings, or you should be watching the Zoom meetings if you have not already. Okay, this intro welcome video is way too long, but I love you guys. Happy Monday. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I will see you next week.